And they are. We have run like the wind, draws for your lead. Gondor is already outside, dancing slow, then followed by Windshore Lady. Let's reconcile, sneaking in down on the inside is Banay, Banay. Next in line, Elgin, Terry Toon, and Terrible Heart is bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 600, we have three runners fighting it out for the lead. Windshore Lady running in between runners by the rail. Gondor sneaking in down on the inside is Run Like the Wind, and on the outside is Dancing Slow. Banay, Banay. Let's reconcile Terry Toon, Elgin, and Terrible Heart as they turn for home. It's Run Like the Wind this time by about 3 lengths. Running in second is Gondor, moving up on the outside to take third. Banay, Banay, let's reconcile. Windshore Lady, and on the outside, moving up Elgin. With the last 50 meters, it's Run Like the Wind. Second, Gondor, let's reconcile close between Banay, Banay and Elgin.